Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be going through some of the top 5 best MiFID regulated Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get into it. MiFID, or the Markets in Financial Instruments Directive, is a European Union law which focuses on increasing transparency across all European financial markets and to stabilize regulatory disclosures for firms. MiFID primarily focuses on stocks. However, products have been expanded under MiFID too. Now let's take a look at some of the top 5 best MiFID regulated Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Pepperstone. Pepperstone is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, index CFDs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Razor 0.0 accounts with up to 10 base currency options, lower leverage, lower minimum account opening balance, expert advisors, and more. Featured platforms for live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Pepperstone also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, a video library, various trading guides and courses, webinars you can sign up to, as well as their very own beginner's guide, which covers a variety of educational topics if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have eToro. eToro is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature retail and professional accounts with negative balance protection, margin closeout restrictions, and more. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, which cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a featured podcast and tutorial videos for you to browse through as you please. At number 3 on our list, we have Plus 500. Plus 500 is a globally recognized, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, options, and ETFs. Featured platform for accounts is available on Plus 500's trading platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Plus 500 features a demo account and one live trading account, which was specifically designed to provide a variety of services to suit the needs of various levels of trading, for beginners and professionals alike. Plus 500 also provides their very own educational panel, which delves into various beginner trading topics, a variety of risk management tools, as well as a trader's guide, which features helpful videos that you can browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM ultra low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various educational trading topics and videos, a daily live streaming service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best MiFID regulated Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are the top 5 best MiFID regulated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment, are you a beginner, intermediate or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.